Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. So if you like videos like this, please go check out the playlists on my channel. Check out the RV upgrade one. There's lots of them on my trailer, different upgrades I've done to it, different fixes I've done to it, as well as all my other videos. I have several mechanical videos as well as DIY homeowner stuff. Well, it's time for another RV update. As you can see, I have this nice handy place to put stuff here, and unfortunately there was a clip here that no longer works. So when I'm trying to put stuff in there or use it, I'm fighting it falling on top of me the whole time. So because these are broke, hopefully you can see them. I'll give you a closer look at those if you can't. And these are broke. They're supposed to come out, latch onto the door, and hold the door up. I also have one right over there that has the same problem. I believe my wife got them on Amazon. I could be wrong, and I definitely don't know how much because we bought these probably over 2 years ago. But they are a metal version of those, so hopefully they'll last a little longer. We'll see. Who knows? And there's the information. Hopefully you can see any of that. It's called Baggage Door Catch from JR Products. And there's some information on the back there. Yet again, there's the part number, but it's been a couple years, so I don't know if I'll even be able to find prices or any more information on these. But it came with 2 in the package, which is what I need. It also came with the screws, but the screws are quite a bit shorter than the ones I have in here, so we'll have to see if those work. I may have to reuse the screws that came with the other ones. We'll see. And the first thing I'm going to do here is kind of see if these are similar sizes here. Appears that this one only has 2 holes, as to where this one does have 3. So it is a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make sure that I probably use this last hole, but for the second one I'm going to have to actually drill a new hole. So I got it mostly cleaned off. I still got to do some more cleaning, but where each one of these holes is, it's kind of puckered out. So I tried taking a screw and knocking that in, but it was kind of poking it. So I got the Phillips tip for my screw gun there, and probably not the appropriate tool, but I think it'll work a little better. And I'm going to knock these in to try and flatten them out a little bit. I got some alcohol and a rag here, and I am just going to go around this and do the best I can to clean it up. And the next thing I got is this Eternabond. Now this is a cut-off piece that I saved, and I'm glad I did, just for this kind of stuff. And I think I can probably make it a little smaller, but quite honestly I'm just going to do this, put it on there, make sure I'm all the way across here, and I'm going to cut that, probably straighten this out a little bit, and we'll stick it on there. I cut that piece of Eternabond. This is how you get the backing off. It makes it a lot easier if you kind of do that kind of thing to it. This is the same stuff, if you've watched any of my RV videos, that I did the whole top of the RV with for trying to waterproof it, which it's worked really well. I'm very happy with the product, and they don't pay me a dime to use it or say anything about it. I just know it works, so I'm putting that over that, and that'll seal that up. I got to apply some pressure to it. So now we got that on there. I got this little thing, and this stuff wants a lot of pressure, whatever pressure you can put on it. This is what sticks it down. Here's the part here. We're going to go ahead and stick it on. I am going to go ahead and use the original screws that were in the old ones, because they are quite a bit longer. These new ones are pretty short, and I know these went in and hit stuff, so I'm going to just aim this one right into that original hole there, and I'm going to see if I can stab this in there. We might end up having to drill a hole, we'll see. Like I said, I knew those went into something pretty solid. I'm going to be honest, I didn't get that as straight as I would have liked. I should have paid more attention instead of trying to film, but there we go. Working like a charm. All right. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.